This tutorial, I just want to show you how you can adjust the Microsoft Excel menu key in your advanced settings. So right now I have it set to where if I press the / key, instead of typing a /, it will allow me to navigate Excel by using my keyboard. So /H will give me the home tab and so on and so forth. Let's say I wanted it to be a dot instead. To do this, I can go to File, Options at the very bottom, Advanced. In Advanced, I go all the way down to the very bottom where you can see Lotus compatibility. And under the Microsoft Excel menu key, I can change it from a / to a dot. And then I click OK. Now, whenever I type a / I can do that. So no difficulty, but whenever I try to type a dot, it will allow me to then navigate Excel using my keyboard. That's it. Hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day.